see here, it's my new car. And my brother was just riding it. It's beautiful. So it's an all-wheel drive. It's camouflaged, as you can see. And if this is like the parking brake if you don't want anybody to steal it. Back it up because it's smushing my foot. Okay.
Bring it up. And then do this thing how you...
Let me back it up.
Tell them how fast it goes.
So this goes like about 100, probably.
It doesn't go 100. 25 at the most.
25 about.
30 at the most.
Yeah, so. Okay, ready? Watch this. This is how shitty it goes. That's called purr, baby purr. And it goes on gas. And if you come behind here, boom! Look at the engine.
That's not the engine.
Whatever. Look at all of this. You can see how I already rode this. Boom. And under here is the engine. And you can't look at it. I think. I guess
You can't.
you can't. And this is how you switch it. This is called start. That's how you run it, like drive, off, and then go back to start. And if you do that, that's how it goes. And this, like, makes it stop. Whatever. That's how thing is.
Apparently so.
Pull that up.
What happened?
Stuff.
Put it back. We have to go down and get a new cord.
And if you twist here, come
Okay.
here, right here, makes
We
it
just have to go down and get a new cord, okay?
this makes it go slower and faster. Oh shoot! Wait, I got it. So already like ripped it up and stuff. That's how awesome I am. Rubber tires. Pump those up. And look at this. Rusty. That's how you know Shaniqua's awesome. And yeah. Oh, twist this off. That's where you put all the gas.
Don't mess with that because it's broken.
And this, just sit on it. This makes it go like boost. And yeah, that is, I guess, my car. So awesome. I can't drive it because it's broken. Can't start it. See right there? That's how you do it. And
For the end of the video, we're going to make him race down in a montage.
I got it. Let me get off. Shaniqua. Shaniqua, please.
You're going to drift at the end. So that means you have to turn your tires and slam on the brakes.
Ready?
Go!
Shaniqua, everybody. And if you come around back, come here. This is actually. This used to be my old car. It's my ex. It used to be like the best car, I guess. Yeah, it sucks now.
It's a piece of junk.
I guess this is how turbo. No one cares about that. And if you come around here, look at this. Red. And yeah, hope you like it. I'm gonna be riding this around when I get fixed. So yeah, hope you like this video.